in the mountains high, where the ancient spirits cry. A people scattered through the wind, their story buried deep within. But the earth remembers every name, the land still whispers through the flame. No exile lasts forevermore, the Hmong shall rise like before. They tried to rewrite the lines of time, erase the truth, conceal the sign, but prophecy cannot be undone. The rising starts with only one. Oh, the white dragon wakes tonight, through burning trees and mountain light. The heartbeat of 1,000 years, breaking chains and ancient fears. We are the ones who live to return. We are the fire that forever burns. From the east to the western land, the Hmong shall rise again. Upside down, the sacred tree, planted with a prophecy. When betrayal tears us apart, let this root guard every heart. If one returns from far away, the flame shall rise and show the way. And now the fire climbs the sky, the sign the elders prophesied. 600 years the roots held strong, waiting for the returning song. The moment blood and soil met, the tree caught fire, destiny set. Oh, the white dragon wakes tonight, through burning trees and mountain light. The heartbeat of 1,000 years, breaking chains and ancient fears. We are the ones who left to return. We are the fire that forever burns. From the east to the western land, the Hmong shall rise again. Across the ocean, across the sky, the scattered ones begin to rise. America's sons, from exile grown, returning to their ancient throne. The red dragon trembles at the call, for the white dragon shall stand tall. The prophecy was never wrong, the mountain people still belong. Oh, the white dragon wakes tonight, lighting up the endless night. The memory of the buried past breaks the silence free at last. Those who return will lead the way. Adorn the mountains can't delay. From the dust and the broken chain, speaks. The land remembers. The return has begun.